In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use XLOOKUP with sum formula in Microsoft Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to use these functions. This example is very useful when you need to look up sales values for specific products and then add those values together in one formula instead of calculating each one separately. Next, make sure your sample data is ready. In this case, the sample data is placed in cells A1 through B6. This table contains the product names and their corresponding sales values. Having your data arranged clearly in two columns will make the lookup process much easier and help avoid formula errors. Now enter the products you want to look up. In cells D1 through D3, type the following entries: product, laptop, and camera. Then in cell E1, type sales. This creates a small summary area where Excel will return the total sales for the products you list. After that, click on cell E2 and enter the formula. Type an equal sign, then sum, followed by an opening parenthesis. Inside the sum function, enter your first XLOOKUP using D2 as the lookup value, A2 to A6 as the lookup array, and B2 to BX as the return array. After that first XLOOKUP, type a comma, then enter a second XLOOKUP using D3 as the lookup value with the same lookup and return ranges. Then close the sum function and press enter. What this formula is doing is combining two XLOOKUP results into one total. The first XLOOKUP finds the sales value for laptop and the second XLOOKUP finds the sales value for camera. Then sum adds those two returned values together. This is a practical way to build a quick total from multiple lookup results in a single cell. You can also modify this formula depending on your needs. If you want to look up different products, simply replace the values in D2 and D3. If your data is stored in a different table, update the lookup and return ranges accordingly. And if you want to include a third product, type another product name in D4, then add one more XLOOKUP inside the sum function so it gets included in the total. Once you press enter, you'll see the result. Excel returns 2700 because laptop has sales of 1500 and camera has sales of 1200. When those two values are added together, the total is 2700. And that's it. You've successfully used XLOOKUP with the sum formula in Microsoft Excel.